Market Watch, April 2018. Just like the last few months, it's hard to compare this year's numbers to last year's numbers. Last year was a record year. These are the numbers that Toronto Real Estate Board releases to the public. And this is what the news is going to report. What we can see is that detached homes of $2 million and more accounted for 5.5% of the sale. Last year, this same price segment accounted for 10% of the sales. This is going to skew the averages substantially. Prices have come down 12.4% compared to last year. But if you look at the last 2 years, we're up 8%. I already talked about this, so you should already know. Immigration continues to be strong in Canada, and this is what drives the market, especially the housing market, up. For the last 7 months, we can see the months of inventory hovering between 2 to 3 months of inventory. This means that we're still in a moderate, active market. They're not like hotcakes like last year, but they're also not like the stale bananas of the East Coast. A neutral market is 4 to 5 months of inventory, and we're hovering between 2 and 3 months of inventory. So the market is still very active and we're still moving along. Sales have only gone up. In 4 months, April alone has accounted for 30% of the sales. So 2018 started out slow. Now in April, we're over 7,000 sales. Now we can see that the market has really come back. The buyers have come back and activity has picked up. So let's compare Mississauga to Toronto. We can see that the detached market average price is almost $1.1 million, but we can see that only 35% of the listings sold. But let's look at the semis, condo towns, and condo apartments. They're all around the 1.5 months of inventory. Over 70% of them are selling, 63% and 72% are selling. These segments are very active. The market is very strong in Mississauga. So we can see that there's a lot of demand and there's a lot of activity in the entry-level price points of the market. This is a great time for those who are in condos, towns, or semis who are looking to upsize. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to follow and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.